Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and yes, I am handcuffed. This is only going to be for like a couple minutes max, because I'll be doing this kind of challenge along with Buzzfeed quizzes. So, let's get on with the video. My Wi-Fi should be fine. Um... Trying to find the one for... I'm trying to find my second quiz, but I can't seem to find a good one on here. Okay, let's do this one. So, this one is, which Spider-Man villain am I? So, if I were to spend the day with a superhero, who would it be? Iron Man, Captain America, Black Widow, Hawkeye, Spider-Man, the Hulk, Thor, Korg. I prefer being alone actually, or Scarlet Witch. I think either Iron Man or the Hulk. You know what, the Hulk. Second one, pick a series to watch for a movie marathon with your friends. Twilight, Pirates of the Caribbean, Scream, Maze Runner, Avengers, The Matrix, Lord of the Rings, Harry Potter, Jumanji. I don't like the movies. Who needs movies when we have Brooklyn Nine-Nine? I think either Twilight or no, not Twilight. Either Pirates of the Caribbean or Harry Potter. I'm gonna have to go with Pirates of the Caribbean, definitely. Oh no. Oh no. Pick you my most recent celebrity crush. Scarlett Johansson, any 90s actor to be honest. Tom Holland, Natalie Portman, Drew Carey, Zendaya, Pedro Pascal, Megan Fox, Andrew Garfield. I don't see Star Zelinsky on here, or ew. I think Megan Fox. I love Megan Fox. She's an amazing actress. Favorite meal of the day? Breakfast, brunch, lunch, snacks, late night eating. I don't have time for meals. Ramen noodles all day, every day. Missing breakfast and drinking water. I can't choose coffee or dinner. I think late night eating. Pick a dessert or a pudding. Trifle, lamington cake, ice cream, brownie, cupcake, caramel slice. I don't eat dessert. Meringue, pavlova, or ramen noodles. There's two on here that I really would like. Either a trifle or a brownie. I think brownie. How much of a Marvel fan am I? 1%, 10%, 20, 40, 70, 0%, 50%, 90%. You know what? I'm gonna have to go with like around 50 to 70. So I'm gonna choose 70. Pick a show. Oh no. Oh no. Brooklyn Nine-Nine, Full House, The Kardashians, Teen Wolf, The Office, Friends, Community, WandaVision, The News, The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, or Only Watch Movies. I'm gonna have to go with Teen Wolf. Finally, pick a book series. A Song of Ice and Fire, Game of Thrones, The Twilight Saga, The Summer I Turned Pretty, The Hunger Games, The Maze Runner. I prefer biographies. You think I read? Percy Jackson, Harry Potter, Lord of the Rings, or any Stephen King novel. I don't really read that much. But if I had to pick one, it would be Harry Potter. Yo. Apparently, my villain is Electro. Electro. It says here, you can be a bit stubborn at times, but you're always open to what someone has to say. You appreciate the little things in life and enjoy everything you have. Yeah, that's me. So that's part of my video done. So I'm going to take these off and I will do a part 2 tomorrow. If you did enjoy that video, please give it a massive thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, it means a lot. It means a lot to me if you did that. But it's up to you guys and gals if you want to or not. Please hit that bell so you know when I upload next with my videos or my future live streams I might be doing maybe. If the thing lifts up. So make sure you stick around for that. Leave a comment down below of what you want me to do next, and I'll see you soon. And of course, stay healthy, be positive, and have a good week. Bye for now. See you on the streets.